So one thing that I've heard from a lot of people is because the rate environment is what it is right now, rates are high. People kind of wonder, what can I do to get into the next house? I want to sell my house and get into the next one, but I'm concerned about interest rates. There are a few different ways that you might be solving for this issue, but here's one that you might consider, and that is you've got equity in your current home, and there is a concept called assumable mortgages. And so with an assumable mortgage, it's got to be an FHA loan or a VA loan. And with an assumable mortgage, what you can do is take the rate that they had on their existing loan. So you want to purchase this next house. If they purchase that house with an FHA loan or a VA loan, and let's say they did that between, you know, October of 2020 and early into 2022, let's say, you know, March of 2022, they're probably sitting at a much better rate than what is currently existing. So what you can do is you can take on that existing mortgage that this person has. So 450,000 is what they have left on it. You can take that rate and basically buy this house with the $100,000 that you get from the equity out of your house, right? You're going to exchange this cash of 150. You're going to move it into the cash that's needed to make up the existing purchase price, the gap that exists there. So $550,000 is the purchase price. You want to take over the mortgage that is currently existing for 450,000, and let's say that this is at a 3% mortgage, and then the remainder is the cash that you're pulling out of your house after you sell it. And that is how you purchase a house at a 3% rate, basically. So you've exchanged your equity into the next house. This might be an upgrade for you, right? This might be a bump up, but you get to take this house, you get to take on the existing mortgage for perfect rate. And that is how you get an excellent rate in the existing market. Now, some drawbacks of this is you might not, it might take some patience for you to actually take on this house, take on this loan, but that's okay. If you can be patient, the likelihood that you can get a great deal on a house and pay a 3% rate instead of the 7, 6, 7, 8%, depending on where rates go in the future. That's a great option for a lot of people. And I think most people don't know about it. So give me a call if you'd like to discuss what your options are as you're trying to think through, I've got this house, I need to upgrade, but I can't even think of fathoming, this crazy rate environment. This might be good for you. So give me a call if you'd like to discuss this option or any number of options for that transition for you and your family.